Now we have pho everywhere in the world. You know, pho in the world, very different pho in Vietnam.
Yes.
Pho in Vietnam, you instead much better, more flavor.
You want to try?
Anh nói liền mình.
But you know, when you cook more time, maybe 4-5 hours, much better, right? After cook boiling already, we not cook high heat. I want to cook very simmer, very slow heat, much better. Very simmer, slow, right? Smell again.
How's this classic roll?
Brown noodle. This one we made from the brown rice. Brown rice. Right? My color. Very fresh. Các em mới đi, em không lấy đâu. Đó không cần nữa.
Không, đây cho chỗ khác vào, quên.
Jang bamboo. We call the bamboo soup. We have a lot. This one for the pork, for the duck, and for the chicken. Right? We can cook a lot of bamboo in Vietnam here. This one we call for the dessert. This one more clear. This one for the soup, for the cooking.
Yeah.
So we don't use the finger on the mouth. All the total here easy to buy the finger, right? Soft, yeah. Soft.
This one's not happy.
Xe máy future đang đỗ trên hè để yêu cầu cho di chuyển đi.
Him don't looking. Him don't looking.
Okay, sorry.
Good. Jumping and dancing. Come on.
Let's see.
Two times. First time I want to making all the oil here very hot, right? Yeah. This one. No egg white. Already breaking. When you stretch, smell coming. For me, smell like pickle. Right? Very hot. Maybe 3. 2 or 3 better.
Yeah?
3 better.
Yes.